Morning guys, the sun right in my eyes here. I'm at the stall now. We've got the stall set up. I'll give you a little look what we got. It's just before 8 o'clock. We sold a bit already. There's some of the stuff we've had at the curbside that you've seen. These were cool. They were a good find. I just had a bug on there. Terracotta, always pick up terracotta. Sold a bit already down this end. So there's your backbone, mate. Hey, I've lost my backbone. Sold all the Pokemon plushes that we got. Day's looking all right. Craig's not set up here at the moment. There's people selling doggies over there. There's lots of people around the dogs. Can't really say that because the kids on there and shit. Guys with the birds again here. 30 bucks for the shoes. I think there are 7 or 8. Let's go. Chad's here today with his stuff. Let's have a look at the birdies, eh? Aren't they pretty? Budgies. It's a breeding pair. They look very happy, don't they? They're pretty. Blue masks, look at them ones. They're cool. Hey guys. Oh wow, look at them. You're beautiful. Yes you are. Hello guys. Oh, look at them, beautiful. Don't they look great? Well, I better get back to my stall. Plenty of people looking at the doggies. What, that's $30 the shoes. Alright, that's just a little one, 3 minutes showing you a little bit of the market. Well, I probably won't do another one today because the music comes on up at that speaker up there. And it's too loud and it gives me copyright infringements all the time. Alright, so I'll put these up when I finish the market. See you guys, have a good day.